First it's a flat tire. Now it's a dead battery. Granted, I still gotta fix that nasty mess, which was fixed about a year ago. Just keeps happening. I have no job, no income. I am disabled. Not that that's an excuse, but nobody wants to hire me for 4 hours a day. I got this RAV4 over here. So on the dead battery, we're gonna connect the black one, the red one, to the red terminal here. Pause. So you gotta make sure both vehicles are off. On the dead battery, you wanna put the red one on first, the post. Then on the good battery, put the positive on the positive, mother, please.
Red or black?
Red. Don't put that there. Hold it in your hand, please. That goes on the red, positive, positive. Pause. So this black one, this saying, put it on the frame or something solid. All I see is the metal right here, right on the frame. Now put yours on the negative post of the good battery. Bet you it starts right up. Try to start this one cold turkey first. It's only been a minute. This one's not even on. Sometimes you don't have to have them on, and quite frankly, I'm not even sure you should have them on. Sometimes it works with it on, sometimes it doesn't. No go. Start that car, and we'll see what happens. Bad battery. Toyota Dodge Grand Caravan, V6, 4-cylinder, I believe. But normally I would have this negative right on the damn post. But I did a quick Google search, not that I particularly like Google. I guess I've been doing it wrong the whole time. But we'll see. Nothing? Nothing? I wasn't getting shit like that. This is how I always jump it. This is how it always works. This is how I'm gonna do it. Keep everything the same over there. Turn the lights on. Nah, no lights or nothing. Directional, nothing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure your battery's just dead. Been about 5 minutes. Nothing? Sometimes if you turn lights on the car that has the good battery, the lights seem fine, even hooked up to that. Maybe a little weak, but I'm not a professional. I can't really tell in the daytime especially. But a V6 and a 4-cylinder just might not do it. Just might not do it. But these are a little rusty. Look, no spark. So, I'm guessing bad jumper. Tried it both ways. I'm going to try it with new jumper cables. Part 2. I can't hold this camera any longer.